Hey everyone, welcome to Mind Body Momentum. If you've ever woken up feeling tired, sluggish, or just not ready to tackle the day, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing a 10-minute morning routine that will boost your energy, improve your focus, and set you up for a productive day. No gym or equipment needed. Let's get started. First, let's wake up your body and mind with some deep breathing. Sit up straight, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 1 minute. This simple exercise will oxygenate your blood, reduce stress, and help you feel more alert. Next, let's loosen up your muscles with some gentle stretches. Start with the cat-cow stretch to wake up your spine. Then, move into a seated forward bend to stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. These stretches will improve your flexibility and get your blood flowing. Now let's get your heart pumping with some energizing movements. Do 1 minute of jumping jacks, followed by 1 minute of high knees. These exercises will boost your energy levels and wake up your entire body. If you're short on space, you can do these in place. After moving your body, it's time to focus your mind. Repeat these affirmations with me. I am energized, I am focused, I am ready to tackle the day. Then, take a moment to visualize your goals and how you'll achieve them today. This mental exercise will set a positive tone for your day. Finally, don't forget to hydrate and fuel your body. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to kickstart your metabolism. Then, enjoy a healthy breakfast like oatmeal with fruit or a smoothie. Your body will thank you. And that's it. A simple 10-minute morning routine to boost your energy and productivity. Try this routine every morning and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.